Blackwell entered medical school in 1847. All the professors and students were men. The very idea of a woman sitting in a medical lecture hall studying the body in the company of men was appalling. I'm Elsa Chang, the story of America's first female doctor. This afternoon on All Things Considered from NPR News.
I'm Sharon Brody. Today, the Department of Homeland Security issued a national terrorism bulletin. It warns of the potential for violence from people motivated by anti-government sentiment after President Biden's election. The bulletin suggests the January 6th insurrection at the Capitol may embolden extremists. The department did not cite a specific threat. Today, the Federal Reserve pledged to keep its low interest rate policies in place even after the economy has sustained a recovery from the pandemic. Today, the Fed kept their benchmark short-term rate